Hi there, this is Darci Frankel coming to you from the Hanalei Day Spa and the Ayurveda Center of Hawaii here on the beautiful garden island of Kauai. So today is August 24th. I'm making this short video to help to contribute to the quality of people's lives and increase our sense of peace. Right now, there is a hurricane that is moving up the chain of the islands. So right now it's off the coast of the Big Island, Hilo, Kona, and it will continue to move up. We're hoping that it takes a left-hand turn. And we have done our best to prepare for the worst and also hope for the best. So I'm making this short video today to offer a meditation to give a deep sense of calm in the eye of the storm. You will need no equipment. Just find some place that you can sit. Please do not be driving when you do this. Just take pause, find a clean spot where you can be not disturbed, and even if you are disturbed, it's okay. So find your place to sit. In a few moments, I'll turn on my metronome, which will help us keep our time. So all we're going to be doing is sitting quietly, breathing, and calming our nervous system. Sometimes what happens in the normal course of life is we get really amped up and really stressed out, and we start to unstress on people. We get grumpy, we say something, and ultimately we don't want to do that. We want to have our maximum grace and be of support, especially in times of crisis. So that's why I'm making this short video, so we can all have our maximum peace of mind and a calm, still heart, no matter what is happening, because we will inevitably go through times of big transition, whether it's death or divorce or breakup or natural disaster. We all have these big challenges in our lives. So it's important to be able to remain still and have that choice. Sometimes we're so spun out on automatic that we actually don't have that choice. So I'm offering you a choice today. Come, sit with me. Take 5 minutes, please. Your future self, your family members will thank me. Here we go. We are beginning. So in the first 3 breaths, you'll slowly and gently bring your attention to the here and now. Notice how are you sitting? We want to sit tall but not rigid. That's right. Tall but not rigid. The main rule is no extraneous tension. No extra tension. Soften your jaw, your chest, your hands. Relax the belly and the pelvic area. These are the main places that we tend to hold tension. Notice your relationship with the room, the air touching your skin. On the next exhale, begin to relax into the here and now. On the next inhale, elongate the inhale just a little bit. On the inhale, our belly naturally comes out. On the exhale, the belly naturally recedes. Relaxing any tension you might feel. Good. Just like that. And on the exhale, release any tension you may feel. It's normal to notice thoughts in the mind and sensations in the body. It's normal during times of crisis or high tension to notice sensations. Sometimes I get a feeling in my belly, like tight, like contracting. So what I do is I take my breath right into there. I breathe as if I'm oxygenating that area And then I exhale as if I'm releasing that tension. See if you have any tension in your body right now. See if you can breathe healing prana or mana into that area. See how you can exhale it out. And as you're exhaling it out, see if you can squeeze even a little more air out, extending that exhale. Yeah, good. Inhale even deeper this time. And exhaling any remaining tension. Good. And scan once again to see, am I holding? A lot of meditation is letting go of our old clenching habits. And do that exercise where we inhale to that tension point, wherever it is, exhale it out. You can do this anytime. You can be working or writing if you notice your shoulders are up. Exhale it out. That's right. Anytime. Good. I'm turning my metronome on and we're going to use it now to keep time. So what we'll do is we'll breathe in, elongating the breath just a little more. Maybe a count of 3 or a count of 4 is comfortable for you. Whichever is comfortable, do. We never want to strain or clench or add extra tension. Close your eyes if you'd like to. And extend that breath. Exhale out even more. You can have your hands just relax, palm up, down, whichever you'd like, relax. As you inhale, inhale just a little more this time. And exhale, just a little more. Inhaling even a little more without creating tension. And exhale. That's great. Exhaling, allowing yourself to settle in even more with your breath. Having the inhale follow the exhale, follow the inhale. It's natural that thoughts will come. Just let them go. No need to think them or engage with them. You might have worries. That's okay. Let it go just for right now. Good. And the inhale. And the exhale. Staying with our breath. Good. Last few breaths together for the moment. You can always come back to this video, to this meditation. You don't even need the video. Just breathe. Good. On the next inhalation, just gently coming back to your senses, wiggling your fingers, your toes, opening your eyes if they were closed. Good. So no matter what is happening in your life, know that you are loved and safe. Come back to your moments of safety and now time in the here and now at any point you can, so that you can keep your calm. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you found this of benefit, please let me know. Every little bit helps. Pass the word on. Share this to whomever you think might need some extra calmness. Please leave comments below and share this. Thank you so much for joining me today. May you be at peace in your heart, in your mind. May there be peace in our homes and peace on the planet. Thank you for this blessing to serve. Aloha.